Imagine I give you a bucket containing exactly 4 liters of paint and a trumpet that is infinitely long. You pour the paint in and it fills the entire inside of the trumpet with room to spare. But when I ask you to paint the outside surface of that same trumpet, you could use every drop of paint in the universe and you never finish. This is the Gabriel Horn, and it's a mathematical glitch that should not exist. To build this shape, we start with a simple reciprocal function, y equals to 1 over x. We only care about the part where x is 1 or greater. Now imagine spinning this line around the x-axis like a piece of wood on a lap. This creates a 3D solid of revolution known as Torricelli's trumpet. First, let's calculate the volume. How much mass paint does this hold? We use the disk method, adding an infinite number of tiny circular slices. The radius of each slice is our formula y. The formula for volume is V is equal to pi times infinity from 1 to infinity, the integral from 1 to infinity of f of x squared dx. Since f of x equals to 1 over x, we get v is equal to pi times 1 to infinity of 1 over x squared dx. When we integrate 1 over x squared, we get negative 1 over x. Evaluating this from 1 to infinity, we'll have pi times negative 1 over infinity times minus negative 1 over 1. This will equal to pi times 0 plus 1, which will equal to pi. The total volume is exactly pi, about 3.14 cubic units, a finite measurable amount of space. Now for the vol of the trumpet, to find its surface area A, we can use the formula for a surface of revolution. The formula is A is equal to 2 pi times integral 1 over 1 to infinity of 1 over x times square root of 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 dx. I mean, this looks terrifying to solve, but we don't need to solve it. We just need to compare it. Notice that the square root part is always greater than 1. That would mean that this area here is greater than 2 pi times integral 1 to infinity of 1 over x dx. The integral of 1 over x is the natural logarithm ln x. As x goes to infinity, ln x also goes to infinity. So this would mean that SA, the surface area, is equal to infinity. And here's the painter's paradox. By filling the horn with pi units of paint, you have technically covered the entire inner surface with a thin coat, but the outer surface, which is separated from the inner one by a line of 0 thickness, requires an infinite amount of paint to cover. It sounds like a lie, but it's a property of 1 over x functions. The volume, which is 1 over x squared, shrinks much faster than the surface area, which stays closer to 1 over x. The object becomes infinitely thin, faster than it becomes infinitely long. Gabriel's horn is a reminder that in the world of the infinite, our 3D intuition is broken. You can fit an infinite surface inside a 3-liter bucket. If that broke your brain, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.